chicken in cooker. Mustard oil, add little salt to it, garlic, onions, red chilies, 3 to 4 green chilies, chopped ginger, 1 spoon red chili powder, turmeric powder, the coriander, again 1 spoon salt, 1 whistle and switch off the gas. 100 ml of beaten curd, salt, 2 spoons of red chili powder, very little of turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, coriander powder. Add the chicken, add half tablespoon of garam masala, around 2 spoons of fenugreek leaves, mix it well, boiling water. Give 2 whistles. Is perfectly done. Let's do the plating. Serve it with boiled rice. A quick and easy dish. Our cooker chicken is ready.